As per the Hindu law, Streedhan is whatever a woman receives during her lifetime. Streedhan includes all movable, immovable properties, gifts, etc. received by a woman prior to marriage, at the time of marriage, during childbirth and during womanhood. Streedhan is very different from dowry, as Streedhan is voluntary gifts given to a woman before or after her marriage and has no element or force of compulsion. Women have complete right and ownership over their Streedhan. Stree means woman and the word dana means property. Therefore, combining these two words, we get property of woman. Any kind of movable and immovable properties such as cash, ornaments, deposits, investments, receivables and properties in any form can be taken as Streedhan. It's important to keep in mind section 14 of the Hindu Succession Act, as it states any property obtained by a woman from the following sources, she has the complete ownership of the property, and the sources are: number 1, gifts received before her marriage, during her marriage and after her marriage. Second, properties received during partition of family property. Third, properties received by her as a consideration for any compromise. Fourth, properties earned and accumulated by service, profession, business, etc. Fifth, property received by her husband as maintenance. Sixth, properties purchased from her own Streedhan. And lastly, seventh, properties acquired in any manner under the divorce decree. There might also be an issue where, what if the Streedhan is stuck with the husband and in-laws? Section 27 of the Hindu Marriage Act states, even if it is placed in the custody of her husband or her in-laws, they would only be considered as trustees and are compelled to return the same even if or when demanded by her. Further, if there is any domestic violence involved, Section 12 of the Domestic Violence Act 2005 provides for women's right to her Streedhan in case where she is a victim of domestic violence. So, just in case your Streedhan or all your gold and properties is being stuck with your husband and your in-laws, and they are not willing to give back the gold or the property papers, you would have to file a case under Section 27 of the Hindu Marriage Act, where you can force them to return back all your gold and properties. Like I just mentioned, in domestic violence, the magistrate court may direct the husband and the in-laws to return the possession of Streedhan or any other property or valuable security for that matter to which the wife is entitled to. Furthermore, Section 18(2) of the Domestic Violence Act lays down the right that a woman is entitled to receive the possession of Streedhan, jewelry, clothes and any other necessary item that belongs to her. Keep in mind, denial of Streedhan to the wife makes the husband and in-laws liable for criminal charges. I would like to end the video with a legal tip for you ladies. Make sure you make a list of all the gifts and properties received before marriage, during marriage and after marriage. It can be from your husband's family, from your own family, friends and other acquaintances. Keep these papers mentioning all these items of all the gifts received with you always, as it would be easier in the future to identify all these items easily, just in case you want to file a case in the court. I regularly post on Instagram and Facebook under the name Legally Fit Joshiba. If you have any queries regarding this video or any legal query for that matter, please feel free to DM me on Instagram. I will be much happy to clear your doubts. Also, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. It would just make me feel happy for the efforts that I put in every video to educate you on day-to-day basis. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video.